Thank you, Sally.
Right.
Yeah, we are going to be looking at informal formative assessment and formal formative assessment, which means that formative assessment could either be formal or informal, and both of them can take place in the same classroom. If you have a look at the pictures on the screen, on the slide, you see a teacher, a female teacher, observing the students as they work. You see the second picture, the teacher listening to their discussions. The next one, that teacher is asking students questions spontaneously. And if you look at the last picture, you see the student with a facial expression indicating a body language of confusion. So these are the kind of situations you can find in the classroom in an informal formative assessment. So it is the duty of the teacher to observe the students. You don't need to stand in front of the classroom looking at them. You go around in their midst to see what they are doing, listen to their discussions. You can even participate to encourage them. You ask them questions spontaneously. And when you ask them questions spontaneously, every student will sit up because no one knows when it will get to their time. Next slide, please. Yeah, now this is a formal formative assessment situation. These are some of the tools you could use. The exit tickets, quick questions before leaving a class. That's what the exit ticket is all about. While we look at that, may I ask this question? What are the benefits of formative assessment for teachers and for students? What are the benefits? Please type in the chat. Type your answers in the chat while we go on. So an exit ticket is the question the teacher asks at the end of the lesson before leaving the class. You have another one, think, pair, share activities, where the students are paired up depending on the size of the class. There could be more than two. They rub minds together, come up with answers to the question given to them. Then a student could come up and present it to the class. We have the quick quizzes, which is checked immediately before the teacher leaves, or while the lesson.
Looks like we lost Tina. Sally, would you mind coming in here?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're talking about the quick quizzes. Yes, quick quizzes that can be checked immediately. 1 minute papers where students summarize what they have learned, which they submit. One of the pictures there shows that. And then peer assessments. The learners can assess themselves. You give them the rubrics or the criteria for the assessment, and they can quickly check what each person has done, and they're able to go on. Next slide, please.